Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to write 10 lines on mango. This content can also be written under the topic My Favorite Fruit Mango. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, the tropical fruit mango is very well liked. Second line is, it is native to South Asia but is now grown in many parts of the world. Third line is, the vitamin and mineral content of mango is high. Fourth line is, it comes in many varieties with different flavors. Next line is, the mango season typically lasts from May to September. Sixth line is, it can be eaten raw, cooked or in desserts. Seventh line is, mango juice and smoothies are popular beverages. Eighth line is, the mango tree is considered sacred in Hinduism and Buddhism. Ninth line is, it is also used in traditional medicines for various health benefits. Last line is mango festivals are celebrated in some parts of the world to honor this delicious fruit.